Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm just going to be building the white drawers that I'm going to have for my DIY vanity. So the DIY vanity building, putting all that together, that's going to be a separate video. So for this, it's simply just going to be kind of like a review and a watch me build the I got a little crick. Can't really turn this way. The Ashland, whatever you want to call it, 5-drawer rolling letterpress. So these are really popular on YouTube. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use this to build their vanities. I have ordered it from Michael's and I ordered it on sale. So make sure that you catch a sale. Do not buy these full price, okay? So just like how I did with the garment rack, you guys are just gonna watch me build it, and I'm gonna attempt to build them both at the same time because I don't have time. So let's get them open. All right, guys. So literally a day and hours later, we are finally finished. My beautiful sister helped me, so thank you to her. Shout out to her. So this is not an easy assembly. I know the box. What the box say? The box say easy assembly. It was not easy assembly. Okay. Our dad had to get us the drill, the power drill, and I definitely would suggest doing this with somebody else. There's a couple places where we split the wood a little bit, but that's okay. Okay,
power
it's
drill
still
is 100% necessary.
Yeah, the power drill is definitely necessary unless you have whole arms and whole hands and they're not soft and supple and they're rough and you can just screw every single last screw in. So I tried to record the whole process. Sometimes the phone died, sometimes I stopped recording because of my storage. So you get what you get. It took a day and some change because we got tired. But the finished product is lovely. This is how mine looks. Turn yours around. They do the same. But yes, I feel like it's gonna be really cute. You know, the drawers fit really well. There were no defects. I'm trying to think of
Yes, there were. One drawer.
Oh, so if you're using the power drill, just be careful. You do it slowly because there were times where we did split the wood. If you're like an expert at stuff like that, then you're fine, I guess, but we are not. So we definitely had to be very careful and do a little damage. Like I had to use Gorilla Glue on one of the drawers because it split too far. And
No. The wood was not split on that one. The manufacturer had made the hole too big for the actual screw. So when you
No, that's not what happened because I was drilling it already and I made the hole longer. I made the hole bigger, my neck. So anyways, just make sure that you're not drilling it too hard. But overall, I'm very happy. I'm going to be doing another video where I'm putting it completely together, my entire vanity with the mirror, the lights, all of that. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other questions about these sets, then leave them down below. And yeah, since you're here, you got to do it too. Stay blessed and stay sweet.